and welcome back to my channel. So, the long-awaited introduction to the Discovery, and what a better way to do it than a light green lane. And it's actually going to be a green lane this time because there's no snow, all the snow's gone, thank goodness. Because I was getting a bit sick of it. It stuck around for ages up in Yorkshire, up here. Yeah, it stuck around for ages, but no, thankfully, blue skies, what better time to film. So yeah, introduction to the Discovery, up next. So this is my Discovery. It's very much original. It's on 170,000 miles, which is a little bit higher than I would have liked to have got one at, but to be honest with you, 200 CDI Discos are such slim pickings these days because they've all been smashed up or scrapped or whatever awful things happen to them. But these good old 200s, I'm sure it'll go on for another 170,000 miles, and the previous owners have clearly taken care of the car and it's always got what it's needed. And I'll continue to mother it, so I'm sure it'll be more than fine. So it's a non-sunroof model, it has electric windows, mirrors, central locking. It is very much original externally. It definitely needs a good wash again. The paintwork is a little bit dull, but it's going for a deep clean and a really good buff next week. So I'll let you know how it looks after that. The rear doors need some TLC as well, missing a bit of paint. There's a few scratches here and there, but you know, it's 31 years old, it's going to have wear and tear and other bits of stuff going on. So interior wise, I need to replace the driver's seat base, source an original radio. I'm going to get a new cubby box for it as well because one of the previous owners has repaired it, but it's not really up to scratch anymore. It is starting to fall apart again. Tisha absolutely loves this car. Don't worry, she's buckled in securely, she can't get out of the window or anything. As you can see, she has far more intelligence than me. She absolutely loves the chase. And it's all about taking part, isn't it? I'm definitely not as quick as she is. She can run rings around me. I think we might need a wee bit of low range. And we're off. Nicely does it. So after general maintenance, it does need some chassis / underbody future proofing. One of the previous owners has already done a really good job of this. It's already had like a new boot floor and sides and a couple of little repairs such as on the sills or on the wheel arches. But again, all the usual suspect areas are either really good and already future proofed or they have been replaced. Oh, I love this car, honestly. What do you think, Tish? No, she's too busy with her head out the window. So I'm going to put new brakes on it, new tyres, any preventative maintenance it might need, and then things that I don't really need but will definitely help me in the next year are more Overland and Expedition items for the Disco, because I've loosely mentioned it in the previous videos, but I do plan on venturing out this year. But the idea is to have this Discovery as completely standard, just a very well maintained example, but I will have all the equipment there to then turn it into a temporary Overland vehicle. So I've had a few messages and comments regarding more content / behind the scenes videos. So as part of my ongoing efforts to improve my YouTube and my social media and such, I am now offering over on Patreon or for YouTube members exclusive and behind the scenes content. So the first video of the behind the scenes from this video is actually up now. So if you would like to check it out, I will leave a link in the description to my Patreon or to the YouTube subscription service. But yeah, we're really funny to watch what actually goes on behind the scenes of filming these sorts of videos. A lot of it is Tish swinging off of me, or me trying not to slip in the mud, almost falling over, fighting with a tree. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with the Discovery so far. And I've nearly done 1,000 miles in the past month, so I really couldn't be prouder of the Disco. Where's it gone? Oh, right under there. So a little bit of a club update as well. So I've had a really good year of bringing enthusiasts and owners together, attending shows. I have a lot of shows and days outs and trips and stuff planned for this year as well. And I also have brought out a load of stickers that are available for members, and I've even christened the Disco. Right, back into high range, I think is the, there we go. We're back in high range. Works like a charm, honestly. I absolutely love this car. Bloody absolutely love it. But that is a little rundown on the Disco for now. I will be doing more videos on the Disco of future-proofing, maintenance, so I'm looking forward to really getting stuck into this Disco and seeing where this goes. And I couldn't be prouder of it if I tried, because it's been doing really, really well, bless it. So I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. We tackled a very light Greenland in this video. I just wanted to introduce you to the Discovery and we get a better look at it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care and bye for now.